So now let's see how we can utilize the guided line drawing option inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So to do that, you need to go around onto a guided option right here. And once you go around onto the guided option, here you can see line drawing is an option. So if I were to go around and click on line drawing, then this is what you have. As you can see, you get the relevant options right here. So the first option is pencil sketch effect. And if I were to click on this, then what happens is that the sketch effect is added in right here. You can work around with the layer opacity over here as well. As you can see, adjust the layer opacity so that you can see the picture beneath it over here as well to get more details. Then you can go around onto levels on the third stage right here, just like this, and adjust it out. And now you can see that there is an outline of the picture that you started with, just like this. And that is how you can go around and adjust out with pencil sketch effect right here. Then you can adjust the layer opacity and the labels just like that. And that is it. You just go around and click out the options given to you step by step, and that is it. And that is how you can utilize the guided line drawing effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.